So as you can see, the game is working, and is actually working better than on the PC. Hello everybody, Loin Gamers here back again, and today I'm going to show you how you can install any application from inside Oculus. All you need is internet connection, so you have to be connected on Wi-Fi, and also you need something else. You have to install SideQuest and also CX File Explorer. So that's all you need. You need SideQuest installer and CX File Explorer or other explorer you want from internet. You don't need cables, you don't need anything else, only Wi-Fi connection you need, and I'm going to show you right now. So first of all, you need to access your browser. Second, you have to search on YouTube. You go there, and here you have to expand this, and inside the video you're gonna find here the download link. So all you need is to access the download link from your Oculus Quest. So I'm going to access this one, and as you can see, inside these folders we're gonna find here the APK and the Blade and Sorcery, and we also have uninstall.txt. We don't really need that, so we are going to download this on our Oculus Quest. So we're going to press right above here, and we're going to press on the download button, and right now the download is prepared. So we have these three archives. These three archives are the entire file right here. So these three archives actually contain this folder. How can we extract this into my VR? We're going into the CX File Explorer, and we are going to open this with EasyUnrarLite. Okay, UnrarLite. We want to unzip multiple files. Let's close this one. We're going to the download. We have these three zip files, 1, 2, and 3. Here it's a multiplier here. Select only first part 1. Okay, so let's select the part 1, and as we can see, touch me to extract the archive in the folder below. Extract to. Okay, so I'm extracting now the first part. Let's see if it's working to extract the second part and the third part. It might not work, but we'll see. So right now this is extracting on the same folder the entire game. Let's see if it's working to the second part. Okay, actually it's working. You see, I've selected the second part and the extract is in progress. It means that it's working. So yeah, you can extract multiple parts. That's really cool. I'm waiting for the extraction to succeed. I know if it's working when you extract them not in order, so it might not work, but and for the third file, let's extract third part. So it has 0, 1, and 3. Google Drive created for us 3 parts. That's not okay, you know, but if you have this tool, you can extract them separately. So let's see after this what we have to do, because there is another step that we must do, you know, in order to install this game and play it only using your VR. So yeah, extract in progress, and we finished the third extraction. Okay, so we are going back into CX File Explorer. So as we can see, we have everything here. We have the modes, we have the Chrome file, and we have all the bundles. That's all we need, guys. We're going back here. We're going to copy now, or move. I actually recommend you to move them. The Chrome, Warfrog, Blade, and Sorcery. So we're going back. Let's go into the main storage. We are looking for OBB files here. Let's enter on Android and OBB. and inside Android OBB we're going to paste our .com. So that's all you have to do. You have to paste this inside your OBB using your VR. So you don't need to use your PC or something like that. It will take time. Don't worry about this progress. It won't show you exactly, but it's going to move everything you need there. You have to wait for a bit. It might not work correctly here, the progress and everything, but as you can see, we have the message. It was moved into the OBB. So if you want to check it, let's see. We have a lot of stuffs here, but as you can see, we have it right here. .com, Blade and Sorcery. So it's right here. Okay, so what we're going to do next? We are going back into the CX file explorer, and we are heading back to the downloads file. And we have here this file, com APK. We're going to press on it, and we have the install button. We're going to install. So right now we are installing Blade and Sorcery. It's using the OBB file. You have to wait a little bit until it's done, but you install the game only using your VR, so you don't need to use everything else. So have installed. We're going to press here done. Then we are going to select here app library, go to unknown sources, and we have Blade and Sorcery. I'm going to press. You can see that the game is loading, so we use only the VR. I'm going to show you again the steps I did for you to understand. So you don't need cables, you don't need anything else, only internet connection. Let's see if the game is working. So this is the game. It's pretty okay. So let me show you again how I did it. Right now I'm quitting the game. I'm out of the game. So how I did it, I'm going to show you again. So I use the browser. I went to this channel, Moby Core VR Gaming. I went into the videos. I searched for the most popular video actually, and I entered on this video, install Blade and Sorcery for free. So you can find other videos on YouTube, but the problem is that you have to check on the description of the video, so you have to press here on more if you have the download link. So in our case we have the download link. The download was completed. I went into the apps. Okay, I opened the CX file explorer. Inside the I went to the downloads folders, and inside here we have these 3 archives, and I extracted these 3 archives. How I extracted them? I went back into unknown sources. I opened EasyUnrarLite. You have to actually first of all you have to install SideQuest, CX file explorer, and after that, in case you need EasyUnrarLite, I open this one. I press each archive and I extracted it using this button. So the first one, the second one, and the third one. So first one, second one, and third one. You can see here that this is 1, 2, and 3. After I extracted them, I went back into the file explorer. I opened the file. I moved the OBB into my OBB Android file, so I went back into my storage, Android OBB, and I move it right here. As you can see, if I'm scrolling right down into the OBB, we can see that we have here Warfrog, Blade and Sorcery. After I moved this, I went back into the downloads, open and install from .apk by clicking the install. So that's all. After that, if you want to open it, you have to actually select the unknown sources, and you have it right here. Stay tuned and have a nice day. That's all.